ask me a tough question.
Okay, very tough. So who's better? Are girls better or are boys better?
Boys, because they are like big step and the one
Someone that you really, really like.
Guess.
There is no fun things in the world.
It's a little deep.
Seriously asking.
Isn't your was no feeling? I asking. Typical Bangalore. Hi everyone, welcome to the D&M Frequency. This is our very first episode and I'm so excited because we have a very, very, very special guest with us here today.
We have someone that I think we are so extremely nervous to interview because this podcast can go either ways.
That's actually very true because the guest that we have today actually has some great insight when it comes to WWE, when it comes to playing a lot on the PlayStation. He also has a great choice of music. His playlist is better than yours. I can promise you that much. And he is also the youngest person that we are going to be talking to on this podcast. He is 6 years old and very, 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 very dear to me. My beautiful son, Vian Shashank Vasuki. That's exactly
Hey.
how he wanted to be.
Not 6'5".
Oh, you're 5? Aren't you turning 6 now?
I'm turning.
Oh,
Yeah.
Five,
Shit,
but-
he's just 5.
You're 5. Okay.
He's
We'll take that again. So I'm going to introduce you to a very cute little baby who's just 5 years old, turning 6 in just a few days. My son, Vian Shashank Vasuki. Vian! Welcome to our podcast. How are you feeling?
Nice.
he's being nice.
That's another thing about Vian. He's very to the point. He likes to keep his responses very short. So I don't know how long this podcast is going to be. We're going to try to get as much as possible out of him today. So, Vian, are you
Let's
ready?
You want to dive right into it, Mian?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. He's so ready for this.
Start.
Start.
Let's start.
Right. Okay. Vian, tell us, what is your favorite part of the day?
I don't know what that means.
Like
Okay, like
when you wake up in the morning, Vian, what is something that you're excited to do in the day?
Go to farm.
Every day you don't go to farm, no?
Yeah, every day you don't go to the farm, but every day, what is one thing that you really like to do?
School.
You like school?
You like going to school?
Really? I love that. What?
Guys,
Yeah.
holding hands with Avira.
Oh, you like to go to school with Tavira, right? Is that your favorite part of the day? To go to school together? Can you tell us what is your regular day in school like? What do you do in school?
I don't know what. Oh, yeah. I write, I paint. I go to the sandpit area. I play and I come back. I wash my hands. I go and sit in my place.
Oh, wow.
Do you have like one place you sit every day or does it change?
No, it doesn't change.
Doesn't change. And who's your like? Do you have like a bench mate or like a partner, friend who sits with you in the same place every day?
Partner have
Partner you have?
Yeah?
Who is this?
Who is your
Who's this
partner?
now actually.
Ah, yeah. We've met Navishi Disha. You met
Yeah,
remember?
we have, and
We've
she's
met.
so full of energy and
She's
you know, she's such a cutie. But Vian, now I'm gonna ask you a fun question. Okay? One full Sunday is yours. You have to plan one full Sunday. What would you
One
plan?
full Sunday farm.
Just the farm?
Yeah,
What all are you going to do in the farm? Why do you like the farm so much?
because all of them can.
What?
All of them I enjoy it with my bike, with the buggy.
Okay.
That's why I like
Okay. What else do you have at the farm that you really like?
the bike.
The bike, the buggy,
The
do you,
new house,
the new house. Okay.
because we always park the bikes.
Wow. So I can see that you're very specific to bikes and buggies. Nice.
Okay, let's ask you a very like not a topic about you. So can you
Ask me
tell?
a tough question.
I'll ask you a very tough question. What is the difference between a boy and a girl?
Ease.
Easy.
wears a frock. Boy doesn't wear a frock.
Wow.
That's it.
Boy doesn't wear a ponytail. Girl wears a ponytail.
Okay, so
Really?
who's better? Are girls better or are boys better?
Boys,
What?
they are like big stepper on the ground with the natural for the big show with the big stepper on the ground with the.
This is exactly what I meant when I said that Vian has like a fantastic playlist. He is the one that's commanding the Alexa in our house and telling her what to play because Shashank and I have such a mixed playlist, but Vian has like probably the best style when it comes to music, isn't it? Can you tell me what are your top 3 favorite songs?
Dunda, 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 dunda.
That's your favorite song? Okay, what is the next one? Okay, for everyone that does not know, that is the introduction of what song is that? Can you tell everyone?
Big stepper.
No, this is no. The din da, din da. What is that song?
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Wow! And who is this rock?
Jim Johnston.
Dwayne Johnson.
Dwayne Johnson.
Yeah, that was not bad. So that's your first favorite song. Your second one you said was Big Stepper.
Big stepper. And Granita. Not that show for the big show weather.
Ah, Big Show weather.
Big show weather. Love it. Hanuman Kind, big shout out. Vian is a big fan. And can you tell me one more of your favorite song? What? What is that?
This is
That's the song? What is that song? What is that? Wow. At BGM Mado.
I thought koi was that.
Coming some.
I thought it was that Baby Jean. Kai.
Yeah.
I thought it's Kai.
And then?
Suddenly.
I love it. That was amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you something about someone that you really, really like. Someone that you're very fond of.
Who?
Don't do.
Guess.
Shashank.
Oh no.
Gosh, such a daddy's boy. I know, of course. No, but I am going to ask you about Avira. What are your thoughts on having a baby sister? What was that?
You're sad.
Don't know.
Are you like happy? Do you like spending a lot of time with Avira?
Happy. I like Navyashri. There is Avira. There is Yuba. There is.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. They're all
Would you-
they're all like your friends and
Would you
your
rather-
cousins.
Would you rather have had a baby brother? Would you be happier if you had a baby brother?
Everyone has a baby.
No, would you want a baby brother?
No.
You're happy you have a sister?
I hate baby.
Wow, that we're gonna edit out. I hate baby brother. Huh? Excuse me.
But
Huh?
you're happy you have Avira?
Yeah. What do you
Do you-
guys do for fun, the two of you? What do you guys do for fun? You and Avira.
We ride cars in the house.
Right?
Go to ball pit. We go to sand pit.
Yeah.
We go pee in the pool in the farm.
Yeah.
So fun. So many fun things are there.
Yeah.
But especially, there is no fun things in the world.
It's a little deep. What do you mean by there are no fun things in the world? Already a bunch of fun things you're doing.
There are so many fun things. Especially, there are no fun things in the world.
It's just what a way to sign off. But okay, I like that you're enjoying a lot of things that you do with Avira and, sandpit, ball pit. Do you guys fight a lot?
You have to ask her this question.
Of course, I will ask her this question, but you are our guest, so I'm asking you, do you fight a lot? And how do you generally get out of these fights?
I know the answer to that.
Yeah.
Tell.
When she cries, And then you go and you give her that hug, that special hug.
Now that hug will not come back.
Why?
The hug is not coming. There's a paper. No.
Oh yeah, we have upgraded from the hug. So every time Avira has a meltdown and she's probably throwing a tantrum or she's not happy with something, Vian has drawn a picture of Mama, Papa, and Vian being very sad. And Avira on the side,
Not acting nice.
because she's not being very nice.
And
We have
she
a little
has a
picture.
happy face.
Yeah. So what do we do when Avira has a meltdown?
You have to show that paper, she has to stop crying.
Yeah.
So has it worked?
I've never tried it.
You've not tried it so far.
Not tried it so
I don't know where is the paper. She will be asking.
It's in your wardrobe, film. Asking. Typical Bangalore. But okay, Bian. So I'm gonna ask you something that's a little more deeper. Okay. What are your thoughts of being in front of a camera? You know how you do a lot of ads with Mama? Like we shoot at home,
I
right?
know we do chocos.
Yeah.
We do.
We've done Eureka Phobes where you were making a sandwich.
I know when we have done Popeye dance.
Yeah, yeah. So, do you like doing all these things on camera?
No.
No. Then why do you do it?
Don't know the question.
Don't know the question. I will I will circle back to the question. Do you have fun while making videos with Mama, with Papa, the videos that we make for Instagram?
I want to do alone. That's why I'm not.
Ah, that's the problem.
Because the focus is not on you, the focus is on Mama. That's the problem, right?
The focus is not on Mama.
Then?
Then how am I talking on the mic?
Correct. But why? Why do you want to do videos alone and not with Mama and Papa?
Because when I grow big, I can do. That's why.
Okay. So when we do all of these brand shoots, you have your lines that you have to say. There are dialogues that you have to say.
What dialogues and what lines?
Like for Chocos and stuff, right? When we were doing the Chocos reel, look me here. When we were doing the Chocos reel, you had those lines about, wow, Mama, Chocos, moons and stars.
Moons and stars. Stars and moons.
Yeah, you remember all those lines? How do you act so
And
nicely?
I was holding that ball and she's saying there was a and I said the ball.
Yeah. So how do
It's actually a light.
you like? Oh, you liked the light?
No, that's a light.
Yeah, that's a light. That's right. How do you act so nicely on camera?
Because I'm the final boss.
Okay, Ryan, let's ask you a more serious question.
Hmm.
I know that every day, once you come back from school and all, you spend a lot of time with Fati Tata, and weekends and everything, you go meet your Dada Dadi. What is something you've learned from all of them? From your grandparents?
Something you've learned from Tata, Party, Dada, Dadi. What is that?
Aregama. Piano class.
Piano classes? You do that when you go to Tata Pati's house? What's that?
Swimming.
Swimming. That's also something. What do you do in Tata Pati's house that you like a lot?
Sleep.
Okay, now tell me what is something about Tata that you like a lot?
He's sitting there.
What do you like a lot about Party?
Fati feeding me.
Party feeding you? Nice. That's cute. What do you like the most about Dada?
But Dada
Yeah.
gets me gifts.
And what is something you like the most about Dadi?
Making noodles.
That's amazing. Vian went on a trip with Dada Dadi all the way to Mysore and spent 2 days with them, right? How was that? And you went with Riv. So Riv and Yuva are Vian and Avira's cousins, and Vian is very
No, you didn't come.
No, I'm just saying that they're your cousins and you guys are very fond of both of them. So, how was Mysore? What did you guys do in Mysore? Did you go to the zoo in Mysore?
We saw the biggest fish.
In Mysore?
Yeah.
You saw the biggest fish?
Yeah.
Where was it?
Whale.
It was a whale.
Yeah, it was stuck in such a big aquarium.
Oh, really?
The sweet.
Really? Okay, now I'm going to ask you something fun. When you grow up, what do you want to be?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Dum chala dum
तूने
chala.
चुराया मेरा दिल का चैन.
By the way, Vian knew a better version of the Spider-Man song, but Meghi Chitti over here,
Spider-Man.
तूने चुराया मेरा दिल का चैन.
Meghi Chitti introduced him to this, whatever.
Smell.
Yeah, okay, wait, sit down.
I was like,
scared
what
for a
just
second. Okay, so when you grow up, you want to be Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
No, tell. No, Vianney.
Chala Spider-
Seriously tell. What do you want to become? You want to You want to study something and become? No, Spider-Man. You can simply become tomorrow also. You don't need to study for that.
No.
What do you want to study and become?
You know, you once told me that you want to grow up and become like Papa.
Like an engineer.
You once told me at home that you want to grow up and become an engineer. Why do you want to be an engineer?
Because we make a safari, a Scorpio, a truck, nano,
Nano. So you think,
military,
oh, okay. So you want to be an engineer.
tank.
What is something that you really like about Mama?
Going to France, buying toys.
Going to France and buying toys. Okay. On the internet, a lot of people say that ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಿಯಾನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ವಿಯಾನಿಗೆ?
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್
Oh, I love how ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. I love it. Can you sing a line or two of Bad Boys?
boys on the street, bad boys on the street. Jitter, 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 jitter.
ಜುಟ್ಟು ಜುಟ್ಟು.
Jitter, jitter.
That was amazing. You like that song? ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ನಿನಗೆ? ಓಹ್, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ವೈಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಿನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ನೀನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಏನು bad boys?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಏನು
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊ, ಮೈಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ, ಈಗ ಹೇಳು.
ಏನು
ಆದ್ರೆ ಧಮ್ಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸರಿಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಪ್ಪ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನ
ಏನ್ ಕತೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಅಷ್ಟೇನ ಬರೋದು ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿಂಗೆ?
ಬಾಯ್ಸ್.
ನಿನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇನ ಬರೋದು? ಇನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹ್ಮ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋನಾ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಅ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬರೀ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ?
ತಿಂಡಿನಾ?
ಹಾ, ತಿಂಡಿ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಏನ್ ತಿಂದೆ?
ಏನು ತಿಂದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಹಶ್ವೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ?
ಹಶ್ವೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಶ್ವೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹಶ್ವಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ?
ಹಶ್ವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ತಿಂದೆ?
ಪೂರಿ.
ಪೂರಿ ತಿಂದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದೆ?
ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನ್ ಕುಡ್ದೆ?
ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೀನು?
ಏನು ಕುಡೋದಾಗ್ಬೇಡ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I'll give you for that. Are you ready to play a round of rapid fire?
What does rapid fire mean, brother?
Meghi Chitti will tell you what that is.
Okay, so rapid fire, Vianney, we're going to ask you some questions where we give you options, okay? And you have to pick one option, but quick. Like, we'll ask you, not that.
Not that. That's
We'll ask you the question and immediately.
This in the bed.
Yes.
sit.
Yeah, we did this in the bed. And
Are you
we're going to play that now. So,
ಅದ್ ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ.
we're going to ask you, Mummy and me are going to ask you options, and you have to choose one immediately. You can't think. You can't say, no.
Okay, okay.
You ready? Let's go. Let's start our round on rapid fire.
With Vian Shishang.
Ooh,
Let's
love
go.
it. Okay.
Okay, Disha, take it.
Okay. First choice. Lamborghini or Ferrari?
Ferrari. Is Ferrari.
T-Rex or Raptor?
T-Rex.
Off-roading or swimming?
Pizza or pasta?
Pasta.
I'm very surprised.
Can you sit and talk properly now? T-Rex is over. So you're going to say pasta?
Yeah, I said pasta.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Vian, Virat Kohli or Ronaldo? Okay.
Okay, John Cena or The Rock or Undertaker.
Do you smell what the frog is cooking?
Of course, he's going to say Rock. Okay, I have two power moves for you. People's elbow or pedigree?
Chokes. Snap with a frog.
None of the above.
None of the above.
Okay,
Okay.
2 wheels or 4 wheels?
Huh?
2 wheels or 4 wheels?
Twist.
Really? Really? So out of Papa's bikes, Ducati or the Katana, what do you choose? Which one?
My bike.
Yours, you're not choosing Ducati or the Katana. Which is your bike? Oh, red color. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಯಾನು
ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yeah.
ಯಾವುದು? ಏನಾದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು?
Alex.
RX. It's a baby RX. Okay. WWE or Dirt Rally?
WWE Jim Johnston.
Dwayne
now-
Johnston.
Now we are on the most important question, okay? Think. This question, I will give you 5 minutes to think and answer. Okay, but it's a very
But
important
I'll tell
question.
fast.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you can think about it.
Who do you like better? Mama's friends like Negi Chitti or dad's friends like Vivek and Sabresh and all?
Count.
Think.
Count.
Tick one.
No.
No.
What should we count?
What should we count?
Count from 0.
0, 1,
It's such an obvious answer, Novian.
3. I'm going to count from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's not the right answer. You have two questions. Or
Dad's
you have
friends
two
or
options.
mom's friends.
You have two options. Papa's friends or mama's friends?
See,
Papa's
mama's
friends are
Mama's friends are Megi Chitti, DJ, Manu, Shruti,
Siddhagadre.
Siddhegowda, so many. Daddy's friends are who? Vivek, Sabresh.
There also.
Honestly, I love
Yes.
Meghna is just
Huh?
making it look so sad. So she can be picked.
Tell.
Yeah. So out of all these people, who do you like
Tell.
to hang out with the most? Meghi Chitti or Vivek?
As well 5 guys.
No. Out of these two,
You
pick
have
one.
to choose.
Meghi Chitti or Vivek?
Team mummy or team papa?
Meghi Chitti or Vivek?
This has to be Siddhagadre.
Ah, it's
not
team
The
me.
option, but still, it's still
Siddhagadre.
okay. That's still Team Mama.
Yeah.
So kind of Meghna, you kind of win.
Wait, no.
Yeah, it's sad that he didn't even try to pick you.
Man, you come man next time. Martin in katara. You picked Siddhegowdre over Megi Chitti.
Chanda ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Over Megi Chitti, you picked Siddhegowdre. Next time you come, I'll show you. And PS5, you come, I'll show you.
So we're going to the next game, which is a lot of fun. Vian, there are a few chits for you, and you're getting cards like this. So you're gonna have to draw, and Meghi Chitti and I are going to try and guess what you're drawing. Do you think you're a good artist? Do you
You
think
have
you
to
can?
not see.
No, I won't see. But do you think you're a good person to draw? Like you can draw well? Oh, he's already ready for the task. All right, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. That does. Oh, whoa. Okay.
Then once you're done, you turn it towards us so we can see it.
Yeah.
Is that a bird?
Is that a bird? It looks like a duck.
Is it a bird or
Center to.
No, what is it?
It's duck.
It's a duck or a bird?
It is flying.
No, 1 minute. What is it supposed to be? A bird or a duck?
Give me a show. Oh, that's-
You're rechecking what you've drawn. It's what? Tell us what it is.
I have to write it fully.
Fully Anbuttu is adding one tail to that. Huh? I have to write it fully.
Duck.
It's
Oh,
a duck.
duck. Okay, Mama wins this point.
Okay.
Disha 1,
Nice.
Meghna 0.
Next one. Okay, Vian has started. Vian has started.
Butterfly.
Oh my god.
It's a
Wait
butterfly.
for him to show it to you. Don't be so competitive.
I need my point.
Jesus. Okay, he will not show it to us till it's entirely complete. Yeah? Turn it around and show it to us.
Diyan, that's very nice, man.
Wait.
Oh, is it a bee or a butterfly? Butterfly only. Butterfly.
Butterfly? Are we right? Okay, nice. We have the next one. It's a ball.
It's a circle, Disha.
It's a circle. It's some sort of a fruit.
It's an apple, I think.
Is it an apple?
Or a tomato.
Yeah.
Oh, are we right?
Yeah, you are right.
Okay, can you show everyone the apple that you just drew? Not bad, oh, we didn't mess up that bad.
Because Vian is drawing very well.
What is that on the apple? This is
The
Vian.
black color.
Beautiful apple. Right? Okay. We have the next one for you. Really quick. Is that the sun?
Sun will be standing line.
Oh, this is not a standing line. What line is this?
I know what it is. I think it's a lion.
Yeah, guess.
It's a flower.
It looks like a sunflower.
What is that?
Oh, careful. It's a flower. Okay. We'll do one more. Okay.
Last
And we're gonna
episode,
wrap.
there is no space.
Oh, some people do it. Kids. And
Hey, so Radhu Berena.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ sassy he is.
Tent. House.
It's a house?
Hut.
So cute.
What's
Look at
that?
him written Vian on there.
Where?
ನೀನಿನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ಕುರುಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ
Wearing lens. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಇದೇನಿದು ಕೆಳಗೆ
Grass.
ಲೈನು ನೀವು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ
Grass.
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರಾಸ ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಟರ್ ತರ ಇದೆ
ನಾ ಆ ಗಜಿ ಗಜಿ ವಿಯಾನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
Give us new water.
Oh, that's water. That's more like
Give here.
are you gonna add stuff?
Amazing ವಿಯಾನ್.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ I need to understand.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಫಿಶ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದೆ The fish is out of the water and it's next to the house like an actual pet.
No, it's inside the water.
That's inside the water.
Should I make the whole thing water?
No. Vian, high five. This was a lot of fun. We want to thank you for being a part of this and giving us a great first episode. It was a lot of fun talking to you and we want to give you a little gift.
Okay, thanks.
Oh my god, Vian, I think your cousin might be
Big
bigger than.
gift. Okay, I'm gonna. That's it. Yeah. Oh my god! I wonder what this is. What is it?
What is that?
What is it?
Lion.
Yeah, because it's your birthday month. But how do you like this guy?